Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Have you ever watched a TikTok video, swiped away too quickly, and now you can't find it again? Don't worry, TikTok provides a way to see your watch history so you can re-watch videos you've already viewed. On iPhone, you can do this in a few simple steps. Here's a full breakdown of how to find your TikTok watch history and re-watch previously seen videos. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines at the top right corner of your profile page. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Activity Center. Tap on Activity Center if you see Watch History. Tap it, and now browse your watch history. You'll see a list of TikTok videos you've watched. Tap any video to re-watch it immediately. To be more specific in finding the video you want to search for, you can filter by date. Click Filter by Date above. Several options will appear, including yesterday, last week, last month, or by date range. Please remember when you watched the video you were looking for. All videos that appear here are videos that you have watched since you first created your TikTok account. Now you know how to re-watch videos you've watched on TikTok, iPhone. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.